Well, that's a good way to use the snow that you've got. For us, we don't exactly have snow headed our way, but we do have consistent rainfall. That's going to be here on Tuesday. And after that's all said and done, we're going to have wind coming in. So the big points that you need to know, a little bit of a wintry mix in the morning along the parkway. Same spots that saw the freezing rain with our last system. And then pretty consistent rain in the afternoon. It's heavy enough to get some flooding going. And then after that, can get some mountain snow, but most of us are going to end up with pretty strong wind gusts consistently through Wednesday. Now, like I was saying, we don't have too much going on the eastern half of the country, but further towards the west, there are a lot of systems kind of brewing up right this minute. Nothing's really making its way to the east organized yet, but that's going to add some energy, swoop down to the south, and bring some intense rainfall towards the deep south before it moves up towards the northeast for us. As far as temperatures go, most of us are pretty comfortable tomorrow, at least, for January. Mid-40s for a lot of our highs, trying to get up towards that 50 mark. We'll come back down into the 30s, and we're actually warmer as the rain arrives on Tuesday, and our temperatures won't vary too much as we keep on going through the week. But the amount of clouds and rain and all that definitely is going to change up. Monday, we start off pretty calm. We stay nice and sunny through a lot of the day, but overnight, those clouds build up. Around 3 a.m., very similar to our last system, it moves in, starts off with a wintry mix, but unlike our last system, it's going to turn to rain a little bit earlier. I would not expect to get the same freezing rain reports of 0.1, 0.2 inches that we got with this last system. Through 9 a.m., most of that's coming down as rain. And notice that there are a lot more yellows than there were with the last system. This is definitely coming down as more of a moderate to heavy rain than a light to moderate rain. Even around 2 p.m. from Smith Mountain Lake towards the south, there's some pretty intense rainfall there. Now, by 7, a lot of that is off towards the east, and we stay pretty dry as we go through the evening. But then there's more snow wrapping around for Wednesday morning up into the Highlands. Rainfall from Monday all the way through Wednesday, so Tuesday in particular, is going to stack up to its highest amount in that similar sort of place along the parkway that we saw with our freezing rain. But the rain totals up towards 1, 2, even 3 inches are definitely going to be enough to get some flooding going. That flood potential is a lot greater down towards Louisiana and Mississippi on Monday. We're in the level 2 risk. It's higher in Philadelphia and New Jersey, but it's still plenty high across a lot of the country. And then up towards Maine is where it's isolated on Wednesday. So we get to dry out there as our wind speeds pick up towards 50 miles per hour. Most of our gusts are pretty consistently high, with the Highlands seeing some of the absolute highest. Most of our temperatures are going to end up somewhere around the 50s mark for Tuesday. Wednesday is a little bit cooler with more of us down into the 40s, and rain chances come back again on Friday since we're not quite done with it yet. Overnight, we fall back down to the 20s for most of our lows, but there's not a lot of rain to work with, so not really looking at freezing there. Monday, we get up into the 40s rather consistently. On the extended forecast, temperatures, like I said, kind of just bounce back and forth for a while. Friday night into Saturday is that next rain chance. It does look lighter, but with how much rain we're getting on Tuesday, probably some more flooding risk there.